Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh. I wish you everyone a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Take care of your health. Trading is a very stressful profession, so make sure that you take care of both of your physical and mental health, and make sure that next year you make a lot of, you follow the process, you stay disciplined, and eventually money will come. So make sure that you have, whatever trades you do, they are disciplined trades, they are planned trades. Eventually, you will end up making money. So in this video, we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. As you know, the coming week we have holiday from today. So next Monday will be a very important day. So how to trade them? So now this is Astro Wheel, and this is divided into 12 zodiacs. So I'm getting to a very important concept of double ingress. Ingress means whenever a planet moves from one sign to another sign, that is called as ingress. And when it is happening subsequently, like two planets are moving within 1 or 2 days, that is very important. Even the legendary W.D. Gann, he used to discuss about it. So if you can see here, double ingress, when two or more planets, not counting moon, enters a new sign within 2 consecutive days. So double ingress is a very important concept in financial astrology. And so now we have this double ingress happening. Last time it happened on 18th October when Mercury and Jupiter moved. And if you see 19th October, we made a top. This is the top on 19th, 18th, a small day, 19th, outside bar pattern, a top, and from there we had a very big correction in the market. Now, when it is happening again, so it is happening on 5th of November. 5th of November, Mercury is moving in Scorpio, and this is a rule. Mercury entering in sign of Scorpio leads to a notable market sell-off or some notable rally. So basically, next week will be very crucial. We should see like 2 to 3% move in the market very easily because it is happening into Scorpio and Venus is entering into Capricorn. These are fire and water signs, so very important. So 5th November will be very important. Now 5th November is a holiday. So basically what we can do is either take today's range if the range is very big today, I mean on the morrow trading session. Otherwise you wait for 6th, wait for the next trading day which is coming on 8th of November. That is where we need to note down the high and low and take the trade accordingly. But a very important swing can happen in the market based on this financial astrology. Second important thing which is happening is Uranus. It is, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, these are called as outer planets. And again, they have a notable long-term impact on the market. So as you can see here, I've drawn here distance to the Earth is minimum. So whenever Uranus distance from the Earth is minimum, we see significant rally in the market. Like if you can see here, last time it happened here, and from there you see a very significant rally. Let's go a little bit further. See here again, this was the bottom. From there the market was just trending up. I mean, it was in a sideways direction, but the trend, the basic underlying trend was on the upside. And if you can see here, after these 2 days we made a bottom and from there a big rally. This event happened once in a while, it doesn't happen every year also. Like Uranus is a very big, this is again a small bottom and a big rally happened. So this is a level which you need to note down. And again, 5th is also the anniversary date of Nifty. Like Nifty got listed on this date, so this is very important again. And lot of time we have seen some strong reversals happening in the market. Also today is new moon also. Whenever the sun is conjuncting moon, again this is a very important lunar cycle. As you can see here, there are a lot of tops and bottoms which are getting formed around these levels on a perfect bottom. Let's see what happens today. So these are the important astro events which are happening. Now let me quickly go back to the levels. So for Nifty, I'm watching out a cross of 18011 on upside for a trend to come towards 18144, 276, 409 and 542. On downside, a break of 17745 can lead to a quick move to 17613, 17555 and 17440, 451 on downside. Similarly, let me go to Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty levels. Let me go to the Gann circle, which works very nice in Bank Nifty. So if I touch near the recent bottom, which is here, these are our programs which will automatically generate support and resistance. So for Bank Nifty, a cross of 40010 on a closing basis can lead to a big rise towards 815 and 41627. And on downside, any break of 39809 can lead to a fall till 39411, 39015 and 38621. So these are what I'm watching out for. I have discussed the important levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. and the important astro events. I wish you guys all the best. Have a blast and have a good year ahead. Stay healthy, stay fit, and stay disciplined. Thank you.